Today is just a quick video of replacing cutting edges on auger blades. Now these are big auger blades that a company I work for uses for planting trees. So the first thing is gouging out the old welds, cleaning everything up, and then welding them back. For this, I was in the middle of a challenge to not use any high pressure cylinders for any of my welding. So everything was air arc gouged, and everything was stick welded with 532 7018 stick electrodes. Most of the time I use the gouging tip on the cutting torch and dual shield, but I was in the middle of this challenge, so I wanted to avoid as much as possible using high pressure cylinders. It was a neat little challenge for the month to see if I could do it, and let me tell you what, by the end of that month, I was like, man, I really miss dual shield, and I really miss that oxyacetylene torch. However, I also found some really neat ideas and ways on how to do things in a different manner, and it got me back into my 7018 stick welding game, which I had been out of for a very long time. Now, I probably could have used a self-shielded wire like E71T11, which I have used in the past, but I'm always afraid of using E71T11 on a product like this that it's going to crack. I really try to use something low hydrogen. A E71T8 wire or a E71T1C or 7018 stick rod is probably going to be your best bet for a very high stress component like this that's taking a lot of force. One thing I've noticed when I do these is I go and I replace these about twice a year for this company, and every single time it feels like the auger itself is getting shorter. So something you have to keep in mind when you're doing this is to make sure you're putting the blade back exactly where you took it out, and you're not letting it get shorter, and you're remembering the exact orientation, because depending on the manufacturer, there's a very specific orientation that blade goes and those cutting teeth go. You don't want to put it in upside down and it be all screwed up because it's upside down and the teeth don't fit in right. So as you can see, it's okay. I definitely need to work on my 7018 stick welding game. I really would rather do these with dual shield as I've done in the past. I honestly believe dual shield is the best for this kind of stuff. It's quick, it's fast, it's clean. As you can see right there, it just looks a million times better doing it with dual shield. Thank you guys for watching this video, and you guys have a fantastic day.